Here's another video on stains. These are drips and drops on a medium beige colored carpet. And these stains are orange. This is a very common issue. Exiting bathrooms, laundry areas, and caused by various owners, maid services. So again, we're not selling dye sticks. These are not sticks. These are not crayons. This is the same product that's used in carpet mills to manufacture carpet. Liquid dye. Watch the video. Now we're going to use an eyedropper to fix this. Add color to the stains, one at a time. Now these stains should all be rinsed out first. If you need bleach neutralizer, we'll send you that too. So again, we're just adding color to the stains. Here. You don't want to spray it in, just want to add some color to the various areas. Spraying it in, you're going to overshoot. You want to keep the dyes right into the specific location. So again, the color, you only need one or two colors. This one here, one color, only one color. Bring it back to the original color. Then use a shop vac one time. Which will remove any excess color. Add a little more. And that's it. Not that hard to fix. Bring the color back. This beats replacing the carpet. Cut and patch. That doesn't work. Especially when you have a whole bunch of stains in various areas. That's it. Just blot it. Run the nap back the way it was. One spot. One way. Add a little more color. So we're just building color to color. That's how you get the color back. It takes several applications. Thanks for watching. We'll do another video on stains. See my other videos on larger stains. But this is drips and drops, and send you an eyedropper if you need it to overcome this. Blot it. Put a little more color. Let it dry out. It's done. Thanks for watching.